I am frying a little bit of fried rice here with Filipino Longganisa sausage, which is a sweet cured sausage, okay? So we're frying rice. And what I wanted to show you, you can see it's getting nice and brown. What I wanted to show you, green white, is we're going to make a quick sauce using a couple Filipino ingredients. So, all this is basic Greek yogurt. Okay. First ingredient, Filipino cane vinegar. This stuff is used all throughout the Philippines. Very delicious. Okay. Good sharpness and acidity. I'm opening it. We're going to put in, that's about enough just to give a bit of acidity to our yogurt. So think about the layering again. We talk a lot about fat and adding a little acidity to that. The next product is going to be this Jufran banana sauce or banana ketchup. This is another Filipino ingredient. So I'll open that. You can see me open it. Might have to cut that out, but we're going to try and do this in one take. Okay, banana ketchup in. So we give that a one-handed stir. Okay. So what you get is this kind of red, beautiful, tasty. So think about it. We've got some fat from the yogurt, we've got a little acidity from the cane vinegar, and we've got some sweet from the ketchup. Really nice. And this has a little bit of chili in it. Okay, so you're going to get a little bit of spicy, sweet, fat, chili. Beautiful. So we'll plate this up and I'll show you how this works. So of course the simplest plating technique ever with fried rice. See that nice crispiness that gets on there? That's a bit of the Longganisa fat that cooks down. Okay, I'll show you some food nerd plating. So basically tucking this fried rice into a little, I don't know, metal cup thing that I have, pushing it down. You can see it has beautiful crispiness from that Longganisa. And all we're going to do, flip it out onto a plate. Looks good, right? It might fall over, but this sauce, simple plating technique, lay down a little glob, pull your fork through. Look at that looks fancy. Of course, this is just my dinner, so I'm going to go with more of a, put it over top, not trying to impress anyone. Maybe 3 stripes. And that's about it. The other thing I was going to add is I have the very bottom remnants of this red onion, Thai fried red onion. Shake that over. And maybe just a tiny little hit, again, of some lemon juice. Or you could use that. Vinegar again. But that's it. That's a very simple little Longganisa fried rice. Looks good, easy dinner. Hope you learned a couple tips. Till next time.